And we're back in a hotel room. So we just got to Silverton, Oregon. We drove 2.5 hours. It's like midnight right now. We left right after work. Well, not right after work, but we left about 9 o'clock. And we just got here. This is our room. We're currently staying at the Oregon, I forgot what it's called, the Oregon Garden Resort. It's pretty nice. We got double beds. And this is the kitchenette area. We have our restroom. And we actually have a fireplace, which is pretty nice right there. A good old P-tack in the wall. And this is my favorite part here, is we have our own little deck. So yeah. It's looking like it's gonna be a pretty good trip. So we decided to come over here to Silverton. We're gonna go do the Silver Falls, or the 10 Falls, tomorrow morning. So anyway, we're gonna get some sleep and try to actually get out there and do the hike. So here we go.
We're at the 10 Waterfall Trail, and my suggestion is before you get here, download the map, because there are quite a few turnoffs, and if you don't know where you're going, you're gonna miss a lot of the waterfalls. So thankfully, Wes downloaded the map, and we kind of know where we're going. Hopefully we'll see some waterfalls.
Yeah, right now we're on the rim trail, right?
The rim
we're on
trail,
the rim
yeah.
trail. It should take us to the first waterfall, which is the twin one, I think.
Twin Peaks.
Yeah, and we parked in the North Falls.
The North Trailhead.
North Falls Trailhead.
Yeah.
So anyway, let's see how this goes, and hopefully we don't get lost.
So we just got down to the Winter Falls Trail, and it's gonna take us where, Wes?
To the Winter Falls.
Okay.
So it's gonna take us to Winter Falls, and then it's gonna take us across the river, and then we should start seeing waterfalls. I don't know if you can see that. Where is it? Oh, here.
Right here.
Right there. There's a little tiny waterfall.
Yeah.
I don't think that's the Winter Falls. It could be. Who knows?
But it's the second waterfall we've seen today. We've seen a couple mini waterfalls, but this is the second big waterfall that we've seen today. So we're 2 for 10, and hopefully we see the other 8, because we're not entirely sure that we're going on the right trail yet. So
Maybe that's a bonus.
yeah. Another perk of living in Oregon, if we're on the wrong trail, we just come do it again.
Yep.
This is our life right now. It cannot be any more amazing. I love the stuff that we're able to do in Oregon, and this was just 2 hours away from us. It's so beautiful.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
I did the driving.
Yeah, I'm not the one who drove, so I only know a little bit about it.
Yeah, but this right here is Winter Falls.
Yeah.
So it's pretty amazing, and this is just our first up close waterfall that we've
yeah.
seen. Look at that.
More to come.
right, we're gonna go to the backside of water. So the really cool thing about this one is you can actually go behind the waterfall. Woo. Check that out. This nuts or what? Yeah, we made it to the Drake Falls. There's this little viewing area, and you can see it from, it's like way down there. So it's a little crowded, a few people here, but it's all good. All right, so we're coming up to the Double Falls. There's the first one, and there's the second one up there. So let's get a little closer and check her out. Alright, so we made it to our 7th waterfall.
After 4 miles of hiking.
It wasn't 4 miles, but...
it's 4 miles.
What do you call it? This is the lower South Falls. So we gotta go up that crazy stair thing over
all
there.
The way up.
To go see the actual South Falls. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so a lot of people here definitely don't come on the weekends. I might come here tomorrow morning to beat the crowd and take a better look at it. But yeah, you can walk behind it. So it's the true backside of water. Alright, so we made it to the South Falls. That's it. It's pretty big. Looks like we can walk behind it, so we're going to do that. So it looks like 3 of these you can do behind. It's pretty big. So definitely got some climbing ahead of us. We got to climb up over there, up around behind, up, go all the way up to the trailhead. So onward with the suffering. For the 3rd time, we're going to go on the back side of the waterfall, which is right over there. There's 50 billion people here, so again, don't come on the weekend. If you can, come on a weekday.
Just cooking up some hot dogs. Lunch. I'm starved.
So we made it to the Twin Falls. That's it behind me. Pretty cool. Not as big as the other ones. I'm exhausted. It's definitely more than 7-something miles. I think we're over 10 miles at this point. I don't know where we took the wrong turn, but Yeah, it's definitely not 7 miles, but that's it. Check it out. So check out that rock. What does it look like?
We have hiked almost 10 miles because we went probably the wrong way.
It's definitely not 7 point whatever.
They lied. But we have seen the most epic and beautiful waterfalls ever.
This is the North Falls.
I can't wait for this to be over. We have one more fall left.
Upper North Falls. My phone died.
Yes, everything's dying.
Yeah. So I made it back to my car, charged up my phone, and walked to the upper North Falls, which is actually the regular North Falls, just at a upper viewing point. I kept going, so you can keep going. So I went probably another mile, and I couldn't find any other waterfalls except this guy. But basically, we're just like up high. See, actually we walked behind that, which you saw earlier. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the parking lot, and we're going to call it a day. So let's go back to the truck. Oh man! So we made it back to the room. Anyway, yeah. So we had a great time. Everything is sore and hurts, and but it was pretty epic. Spent the whole day hiking and seeing a bunch of big waterfalls up close and walking behind them. So definitely recommend it. Just make sure that you bring some trekking poles because they make a big difference. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, and let us know what you think about the trail. And let me know in the comments if you've ever been here, and if you know if there actually is another waterfall called Upper North Falls. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.